everyone, today I have Ipsy and Sephora for November. They actually both came on the same day this month, which is very rare. That like never happens. So I think I'm gonna do Ipsy first this month because I think I did Sephora first last month. Got a bag with little hearts on it, pretty cute. And then it says Glam and Glow sheet masks. There's one of them, and then the other one says Up in the Cloud. That's what they look like. Sorry for filming this in the evening, but it seems like daytime has all escaped me by the time I get home from work every single time. And let's see what's in the bag this month. Okay, first there is a velvet matte lipstick in the color Volcano, and that is by NYX. That's what it looks like, and it looks like a nice like holiday-ish color. It's a matte, it's red, very kind of burgundy-ish color. I think I like it. It's a nice holiday color. I mean, I have a lot of reds because they always seem to send you reds, but I'll use it. Then there is a Jelly Pong Pong. Never heard of this before. Cosmetics in a little box. This says that it's a cosmic light. Oh, it is different. It's like a blue powder. I can honestly say that I really don't think I'll ever have a use for this before I dump the blue powder everywhere. Maybe I should. There it is on my hand. It's very shiny and pretty. I just don't know what I'll ever do with a shiny blue powder. I just can't see myself wearing this as eyeshadow. I don't think blue looks good with blue eyes. So I don't know. It could be a fun accent. I just don't ever see myself using this. That's a fail. If it was another color, I would totally love it. Like if it was gold, I'd be all about that. Oh, and I got something from Ciate. This is a translucent powder. So that looks like it will be nice. And I like the little bow top of it. That's cute. Translucent powder. So I think this will be good to try. I do need something to set my under eyes occasionally. So that'll be nice. And I've heard of Ciate. I thought they only really did nails, but I guess not. And then Tarte. It's a blush in the color Quirky. And I do like Tarte blushes. This is the package color for this one. I feel like I have a lot of colors similar to this by Tarte just because this is their... Oh, I like that. It's kind of like a peachy color, coral. I don't know if it's my favorite winter color, but I definitely think this is a nice summertime color, and I'll keep this because this is a good size sample and they last well and they travel well. This is all for Ipsy. I do have high hopes for Sephora because a lot of these things were just today. I liked the lipstick okay, and I liked the setting powder. The masks are okay. Blush is okay. It's just okay. I'm not thrilled with it. I do like that Sephora's using these so I don't have to throw away like a nice bag every month. I just throw away this plastic one. It just seems a little bit weird, but I do like that I got my Play Pass for the month. That's nice. I wish I would have used it. Bought something from Sephora online yesterday. First things first, a setting powder by Makeup Forever. I actually have this and it's okay. I don't love it. I don't hate it. I don't have any feelings on it either way. I guess people think I really need to set with translucent powder recently. This is the little jar it comes in. Looks like this. And yeah, it's okay. Then there's something in a green pouch. This is Protect and Prevent Spray by Moroccan Oil. For what is this? I wonder why it's in this pouch too. Oh, it's kind of like a spritzer, not like an aerosol. So that's what it looks like, and it says that it's a leave-in conditioner. So that's nice. I will use this. I do like leave-in conditioners. They're pretty. Then we got a cream lip stain by Sephora. Comes in this. Please don't be red. Hallelujah. It's not red. It is like a beige. Still better than red. But it is the tiniest little sample, and for it to be a Sephora brand, I find that odd. I do like the color a lot, and it is very opaque. Like I barely needed anything, but this is an itty bitty sample. You'd think that Sephora could afford to give you a little bit more of their own brand. It says that that's a silky liquid lip stain in a nude pink shade with a matte finish, and it's high coverage. And I got a Clinique Pep Start eye cream, which I will use. I don't love or hate this, but I feel like I have gotten this so many times as a sample from Sephora, and I just kind of disappointed. And then I got a Dr. Jart Ceramidin Cream Moisture Retention Shield. It looks like this. It says that this is a rich moisturizer that improves appearance of fine line flakiness and tightness for smooth skin. Last and least is a fragrance, and this one time it's by Tory Burch, and it says introducing just like heaven. I think it's called Just Like Heaven, not introducing just like heaven, but it looks like this. And I'm gonna spray it on the card. It doesn't smell bad, but I don't love it. It smells very perfumey. I'm just not a big perfume fan. But that's everything in my 2 bags. I guess I'm gonna call it, no, I guess I'm gonna say Ipsy's the winner, only because my Sephora was very disappointing with the size, and I feel like I got 2 skincare, a translucent powder, a Sephora brand lipstick, which don't get me wrong are fine, but I just feel like for makeup brands, like I am excited about the Dr. Jart moisturizer, but everything else is just kind of meh, or I've had it before, or it's just not that exciting. And Ipsy, I liked pretty much everything except for that blue powder. It's just kind of a meh month for me product wise. I wish I loved things, but I don't. But yeah, that's everything. I'll see you guys next time. Let's hope December's boxes are better.